Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Krea AI, one of the most powerful and talked about creative AI platforms right now. If you're into image generation with AI, video creation, editing, or just curious about what modern creative AI tools can actually do, this video is for you. By the end of this review, you'll know exactly what Krea AI is, what it's used for, its best features, how much it costs, the pros and cons, and whether it truly deserves to be called one of the best generating and editing apps available today. Let's get started. At its core, Krea AI is an all-in-one creative AI platform designed to help users generate, edit, enhance, and customize visual content using artificial intelligence. What makes Krea AI stand out immediately is that it doesn't limit you to just one type of creation. This isn't only an image generator. It's a full creative ecosystem where you can work with images, videos, upscaling, generative editing, 3D content, and even custom AI models, all from a single browser-based dashboard. Krea is built for a wide audience. It's used by solo creators, designers, marketers, agencies, startups, and even large businesses. Whether you're creating social media visuals, marketing creatives, concept art, thumbnails, ads, or experimental visuals, Krea tries to give you everything in one place. Another big focus of Krea is speed and iteration. The platform is designed so that you can quickly test ideas, tweak prompts, adjust styles, and see results almost instantly. Instead of waiting long rendering times, Krea emphasizes fast feedback so that creativity doesn't get interrupted. In simple terms, Krea AI aims to be the place where ideas turn into visuals, fast, flexible, and without needing advanced technical skills. So let us talk about the main features of Krea. First, the AI image generation. Krea allows you to generate images from text prompts using multiple AI models and thousands of styles. This gives you flexibility depending on whether you want realistic images, illustrations, abstract art, product visuals, or stylized designs. You can experiment freely, refine prompts, and explore different looks without switching tools. Real-time generation. One of Krea's most impressive features is real-time rendering. As you type or adjust inputs, you can see visual results almost immediately. This makes brainstorming and creative exploration feel fluid instead of slow and technical. AI video generation. Krea also supports AI video generation. You can generate short video clips using different video models, making it useful for social media content, motion visuals, or experimental video projects. This feature puts Krea beyond basic image tools and into serious multimedia territory. Image and video upscaling. Krea includes advanced upscaling tools for both images and videos. You can take low-resolution visuals and enhance them with better sharpness, detail, and clarity. For images, resolution can go extremely high, and for videos you can upscale while also smoothing motion with frame interpolation. Generative editing. Krea lets you edit existing images using AI. You can remove objects, you can replace elements, change lighting, adjust styles, or add new details, all without traditional photo editing software. That makes it incredibly useful for quick revisions and creative changes. And there's also the custom model training, which is known as LoRa. For advanced users, Krea allows you to train custom AI models using your own images. You need an account to do that. This means that you can teach the AI a specific style, a specific brand look, or character and reuse it consistently across projects. This is especially powerful for branding, product design, and long-term creative workflows. And of course, there are additional creative tools that come with Krea. For example, things like 3D image generation, motion transfer, and even building custom creative workflows. These features push it closer to the creative AI lab rather than just a single purpose tool. Now let us talk about the pricing. There's the free plan where you pay virtually nothing, $0 per month, and you have 100 compute units per day, full access to real-time models, limited access to image, video, 3D, and lip sync models, and limited access to image upscaling and LoRa training. There's the basic plan at $9 per month, there's a pro plan at $35 per month, and the max plan at $105 per month. But if you decide to do an annual payment, you get the prices slashed. So what are the pros and cons of using Krea AI? First, the pros is extremely versatile. It's an all-in-one platform. It supports images, videos, editing, and upscaling. The real-time generation speeds up creativity and no software installation is required. How about the cons? The interface can feel overwhelming for beginners, and the output quality may vary depending on the model. So, having considered all this, is Krea AI the best generating and editing app? The honest answer is this. Krea AI is one of the most powerful and ambitious creative AI platforms that are available right now. It tries to do everything, and in many ways it succeeds. But if you're someone who wants a single tool for image generation, video creation, editing, upscaling, and creative experimentation, Krea AI delivers an impressive amount of value. The real-time generation, the model variety, and advanced features make it especially appealing to creators who like to move fast and explore ideas freely. That said, it's not perfect. The learning curve can be steep. The system isn't always 100% stable, and the compute-based pricing means that you need to manage usage carefully. So while Krea AI may not be flawless, it absolutely earns its place among the top creative AI tools that are available today. For many creators, it could be the only creative AI platform that they need. And that's it on the review of Krea AI. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Midjourney, Runway, and Leonardo AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.